Okay, so we are going to deal with the solar backup batteries here. I have a set of Trojans in here, as you can see, and unfortunately these were put in 2015, so we're now almost 7 years old, a little over 7 years old, and I've pushed them a little bit. I might have got more years, but they've been through a lot. And then I've got a brand new set of Napa batteries here that we're going to go ahead and put in instead. These are actually 230 amp 6 volts, and those are actually 225 amp Trojans. So this is the Napa Deep Cell Specialty battery, so that you can have details here. There's some information on the top. Yeah, I think that's that. Okay, so the first thing is that we need to know that the batteries are bad. So here's what we're going to do. We've got the charger on it right now, and the solar panels are cranking, so there shouldn't be an issue. They've been cranking for a while. I'm going to go ahead and show you here. If we pull this meter up, see, all the balls want to go ahead and drop to the bottom, and so that indicates a dead battery, unfortunately. And see, now that one there, I got one staying at the top, so that cell is okay, but the middle cell is dead, and that cell's okay too. All right, but here, see, we need to have consistency, and of course this is not looking good. We got one, yep, see, there's a dead cell there, and that one seems to be holding okay. Yep, got another dead cell there. Okay, surprisingly, you can have, yep, no, that's a dead cell too. It's sticking at the top. So there you go, and I've tested these others, and that's the situation. Now, here's the brand new battery, and so let's take a look at that. Now, these are probably sitting on the shelf, and so as you can see, one dropping says 75% charge on that cell, and same with that cell, and same with that cell. Okay, so this battery's got about 75% charge. And let's see this one here. Yep, same situation. Same situation. And same for that one. So this one here, about 75% charge. Let's take a look at that one. Same situation there. Same situation there. Okay. Yeah, so all of these have about, well, see, that one's a little better. It's holding. And that one's a problem. Okay, so basically these are all showing 75% charge, but no dead cells. So we're going to go ahead and stick these in instead from Napa and call it good. Anyway, that's how you can tell. And voltage-wise, these came up 6.16 each. And of course I can't test those until I pull them out to see what they come up. All right.